Today's speech march is all about the Mumbaikars, especially Kohlis and Agri fishing villagers. In last 30-35 years, the Kolaba and Cove Parade fishing village become a Kolaba and Cove Parade slum. Worli become the big hub of a corporate sector, but Worli village has become totally slum. Khardanda, the land is 1 lakh rupees a square feet, the flat is. But the Khardanda village has become the slum. Jew has become the residence of Bollywood people, but the entire Jew and Warsaw is totally a slum Koliwada now. Now the last two remaining Koliwadas of Mumbai, it's a Manori and the Gurai. Now they want to connect this with the bridges through Borivali, Bhayandar and the Malad. Once they connect, the entire land from Mira Road to Malad, they want to sell to the builders. And when they need the water supply for this land, they are putting a desalination plant. They want to sell the ice to the Eskimo, because Mumbai is having a highest rainfall with the 4 rivers and the 1,000 kilometers of tributaries. Then also they are putting a 2,000 crore desalination plant, will take a complete marine diversity and fishing production of Mumbai. Not this, and the name of beautification, where the small ponds are there for the cattle of the villagers, they are making concretize these ponds and restrict the cattle. Like there is a horses, there is a cows, there is a other local animals who are coming to that pond. They want to stop this. The local Adivasis is still using that pond because after 75 years of the supply, still there is no proper supply of water to the Gorai villages. Now, apart of this, there is a certain open land in the area which is normally used by the fishermen to dry the fishes. They are used to repair the boats or the parking the boat. But these people wants to develop this land and saying the fishermen only stay inside the sea. Sea don't having a proper fishing totality because of the pollution. They at least goes around the Gujarat and Pakistan border for the fishing. Such a condition for the original native, जिसको हम भूमिपुत्र बोलते हैं, वो भूमिपुत्र की आज ये conditions है. और दूसरी चीज, गोराई is a eco-sensitive area declared by the international site, the important sensitive area. The entire biodiversity of Mumbai is largely depends on the Gorai and Sanjay Gandhi National Park, which are both are connected through the mangrove creeks. And if they stop this, Gorai is having a golden jackal, Gorai is having a leopard, Gorai is having a lot of Gorai is having a leopard, Gorai is having a lot of migrating birds. Now they want to restrict everything, they want to kill the mangroves, want to sell the entire land of Mira Road to Malad, to some builders, and getting this for some individual people. And again the Gurai or the Manori will become like a slums of Worli, your Warsaw, Jew, because we forget the village like Bhayandar and Vashi in the name of development, and this is not a development, this is the total restriction.